Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture video. In this direct memory access, it comes under the input-output system in the operating system. So it used to avoid programmed I/O for large data movement, requires DMA controller and bypass CPU to transfer data directly between input-output to device and memory. So direct memory access, we can having these require DMA controller and other things. So 6 steps process to perform DMI controller here. So device driver told to transfer this data to buffer to address X. So sorry for this thing. We are in this video. In this topic, we are discussing 6-step process to perform DMA transformer. First step is device driver told to transfer disk data to buffer at address. The device driver tells disk controller to transfer C byte from the disk to buffer at address X. In CPU, cache, CPU memory buses connected with the PCI buses. Then third thing is step is the disk controller from initiate the DMA transfer. Then disk controller sends each byte to DMA controller. Then we have the DMA controller transfers bytes to buffer X, increasing memory address and decreasing C unit C. So C equal to 0. When C equal to 0, DMA interrupts CPU to signal transfer completion. So that is the thing we are covering here. So memory, buffer, CPU cache, DMA bus interrupt controller, and things we are ID disk controller followed with this memory buffer. So these are the 6 steps to process to perform DMA transfer. The next is the application I/O interface. So I/O system calls encapsulate device behavior in generic classes. The device driver layer hides differences among input-output controller from kernel. So device vary in many dimensions: character to stream or block, sequential or random access, shareable or dedicated, speed of operation, read only or write only. So application I/O interface have the I/O system calls encapsulate device behavior in the generic classes. So device driver layer heights differ from among input-output controllers from kernel. Device vary in many dimensions. Then kernel I/O structure, we have kernel I/O subsystems. In this SASE device driver, keyboard device driver, mouse device driver, PCI bus driver, device driver, floppy device driver, ATP device driver. So followed with these SE devices, the kernel structure connected with the SE devices, keyboard, mouse, and PC boards, floppy disk, ATPA, and other things. So in this we have the hardware, software connected with the kernel. So kernel I/O structure helping the I/O operating system to perform high, and the entire process will be in the as per schedule without any interrupts or any deadlock, without any things, without any break. The system will be continue process and get the required output from this kind of kernel concepts. So the kernel have these following things: hardware and software. Make sure the hardware thing we have in the generally input from the mouse, keyboard, SASE devices, PC, floppy disk, and etc. Tapes, drives. They will be connected to the softwares. So SCA devices, keyboard devices, and other things. Then followed with these kernel structures, we have the characteristics of I/O devices. We can start with the characteristics of I/O devices. So data transfer mode, character block, terminal disk, access method, sequential random, modern CD-ROM, transfer schedule, synchronize, asynchronous, tape keyboard, sharing, dedicated shareable, tape keyboard. Then device speed, latency, seek time, and transfer rate, delay between operations, etc. So I/O direction will have read only, write only, read, write. So CD-ROM graphics controller have these kind of process here. So these characteristics of input devices we followed with characteristics of IO devices. These are the some characteristics followed with the data transfer mode, access method, transfer schedule, sharing, device speed, etc. So in this we have the block and character devices. So block devices include disk drives and also have the commands include read and write. So from this it helping the raw and the files input files to access. So memory mat file access possible. The character device includes keyboard, mouse, serial ports, etc. The commands include get, put, and libraries have the layered and top allowing line editing. So these the place major things in the IO devices for processing the entire input out system without any deadlock or any interrupts in the entire process. We can see the next concept in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.